Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, today's lesson is a close favorite of mine, as always, is fish. As you can see, we're going to be working on this little fish in a scene, a little bit more involved than just a little character. I thought it'd be a fun lesson today. So, if you have your pencil and you have your paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.